Hi, Dan and Joe from Shepley here to tell you about Andersen big doors and how they can help you remove the line between your indoor and outdoor living space. Joe, tell us about this beautiful door.
This is Andersen's architectural collection, outswing bifold door. It's 8 foot wide and 8 foot tall.
And how big can this door get?
You can get up to 48 foot wide and 10 foot tall with multiple configurations as far as where the panels fold.
And how many different color options are available?
50 standard colors and multiple colors for the interior as well.
So Andersen is known for their performance. How does a door like this hold up in a coastal environment like we have here in the Cape and Islands?
The standard product is great, holds up really well, but if you have an extreme condition, you can upgrade to their Stormwatch product, which has a great wind and weather rating.
And they have a couple different options when it comes to big doors. What makes this one unique?
It's hung on the header on a track, so it's a very, very smooth operation. But because of that, it holds a lot of weight up there, so get an engineer involved.
It's important to make sure that you get the team here at Shepley involved in the process early.
Yes, we have experts on these doors from the quoting stage to the installation to the service, so very important to get us involved early.
So come visit us here at the Shepley Andersen Showcase in Hyannis and see all of the amazing Andersen big door products, or visit us at shepleywood.com.